Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can view the password of the Wi-Fi you are connected in. So let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is go to Start menu and search Control Panel. Then click on it. After that, it will open the Control Panel page and make sure it is set on View by Category. After that, click on Network and Internet. Then click the first option, which is Network and Sharing Center. Then over here, click on this clickable link and a new pop-up will appear. And in that, there is an option named Wireless Properties. You just have to click on it and go to Security and click on Show Characters. And there, that's how you can view the Wi-Fi password you are connected in. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.